Before we begin, let me ask you something honestly. Why do you forget names so easily today, but remember a childhood incident from 20 years ago perfectly? Why can you scroll social media for hours, but cannot focus on a single page of a book? And why did ancient scholars memorize entire scriptures without notebooks, phones, or apps, while modern humans struggle to remember a grocery list? This is not an accident. This is not age. This is not genetics. This is about how the brain is used, abused, and ignored. Today, I will take you deep into the science of memory, the hidden enemies of mental sharpness, the forgotten Indian Vedic techniques, and the truth about discipline, energy, and semen retention. Watch till the end, because this knowledge is not entertainment, it is mental survival. Part 1, Understanding Memory, What It Really Is, 23730. Most people think memory is like a cupboard. You store things inside and take them out later. That is wrong. Memory has 3 stages. 1, encoding, paying attention. If attention is weak, memory never forms. This is why you forget what you just read, you forget conversations, you forget instructions. Not because memory is weak, but because attention was absent. 2, storage. Neural strengthening information is stored by repetition and emotion. Emotion strengthens memory. That's why trauma and joy are remembered deeply. 3, retrieval. Accessing the memory stress blocks retrieval. That's why during exams or interviews, people say, I knew it, but I forgot. Memory was there, access was blocked. Part 2, why modern humans are losing memory, 7:30-14:12. Let me be very direct here. 1, dopamine overstimulation, short videos, reels, notifications. Your brain is addicted to instant reward. Memory requires delayed reward. When dopamine pathways are hijacked, focus collapses. 2, constant mental stress. Stress keeps the brain in survival mode. Survival brain does not care about memory. It only cares about escape. 3, sleep deprivation. Deep sleep is when the brain cleans toxins, organizes memory, strengthens learning. No sleep, no clarity. 4, nutritional deficiency, iron deficiency. Brain fog, B12 deficiency, throws forgetfulness, omega-3 deficiency, throws slow processing. The brain cannot work without fuel. 5, mental laziness, no reading. No thinking, no reflection. The brain follows use it or lose it. Part 3, how memory actually improves, 14:21. Let's now rebuild the brain. Active recall, the brain gym, stop rereading. Close the book, recall, struggle. Well, recall again. That struggle creates memory. Spaced learning, the brain forgets intentionally. Revisiting information at intervals tells the brain, this is important. Association technique, link new information to old knowledge. The brain remembers connections, not facts. Movement and blood flow. A sedentary body creates a stagnant brain. Even slow walking improves. Creativity memory mood, 1 task at a time. Multitasking destroys deep memory formation. Focus is the gateway to memory. Part 4, Vedic science of the brain, 21:30b. Ancient India never separated body, mind, and energy. Ayurvedic understanding memory depends on sattva, clarity, balanced vata, strong ojas, vital essence. Herbs for memory, Brahmi improves learning and calmness, Shankpushpi enhances recall, Ashwagandha reduces stress. These herbs work slowly but deeply. Pranayama, oxygen is intelligence, Nadi Shodhana balances hemispheres. Brahmari calms the nervous system, breath controls thought. Trataka staring at a flame trains, visual focus, mental stability, thought control. A wandering mind cannot remember. Meditation does not stop thoughts. It stops identification with thoughts. This frees mental bandwidth, allowing memory to function naturally. Part 5, semen retention. A deep, honest explanation, 30 Jasu, 37 Ga. Let us speak without exaggeration or fear. Traditional perspective, semen was considered refined energy. Retention was part of brahmacharya, not repression, but regulation. Modern reality, there is no proof that semen itself increases IQ. But there is strong evidence that porn addiction weakens focus, dopamine imbalance affects memory, self-control strengthens the prefrontal cortex. The truth: men practicing healthy restraint often experience better focus, more discipline, clearer thinking, because energy is not wasted mentally. Suppression harms, awareness empowers. Part 6. Daily routine for a sharp mind. 37 to 40 wise. Morning, sunlight, breathing, light movement. Day, single task work, deep learning, no junk stimulation. Evening, reflection, gratitude, early sleep. This routine alone can transform memory in 60 days. Final closing, 40 plus. Your brain is not broken. It is distracted. It is overstimulated.